funny bunnies! Subscribe now!
He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunny. It's Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Oh, hello everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. Oh, what's on this table? One coloring book. Oh, and one crayon. And look, the number 1. Yay! I love the number 1. Let's see. What do I have one of? I have one nose. And one mouth. And one head. And I have one tummy. And one belly button. And I have one back. Oh, look. I have one table, too. And this yard has one swing. And one slide. Wow. Do you know what else I love about the number 1? It's so much fun to color. Look. Wow, see? The number 1 is tall and straight. It's one big long line. I love using my one crayon to color the number 1. Finished! Ta-da! That is one beautiful number 1. And I'm one funny bunny. I love the number 1. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny.